Imagine creating cinematic videos without cameras, actors, or expensive software. Today, I'll show you how I created an entire cinematic sequence using Higgsfield AI, a tool every creator will copy in 2026. Hi, I'm Emmanuel, a digital creator focused on cinematic storytelling and AI tools. In this video, I'll walk you through my full workflow on Higgsfield AI and show you step by step how to generate high-quality cinematic content. Creating cinematic videos is usually time-consuming and expensive. Many creators struggle with cameras, lighting, and editing software. Higgsfield changes all of that by offering AI-powered cinematic video generation directly from your browser. First, I create a scene and define the environment and the mood. To do this, we need to create the image before animating it, or at least load one. In our case, we're going to create it from scratch. We click on the image icon and a prompt appears. This part is extremely important. This is where the real power lies. The prompt allows us to describe exactly what we want to create. Next, we choose the number of images we want to generate, select the format, in my case, 16 by 9, choose the resolution, then set the camera options, lens, focal length, and aperture. Finally, we click on generate. And just like that, it's extraordinary, my friends. Higgsfield is truly a fantastic AI. It's a real revolution in the world of cinematography. If you'd like to try it, the link is in the description. And as you'll see, using the same image, we can regenerate multiple new images with different angles and poses simply by using the multi-shot option. Now we're going to convert our images into videos, and this is where the real magic happens. We already have our image, and now we're going to animate it. First, we change the position. We go to the video icon at the bottom of the interface, then open the Start Frame section. I previously used an image here, so I'll delete it and select a new one. When you click on the icon, a menu opens showing 3 options: New Images, Imported Images, and Generated. If I select Generated Images, I can see all the images I've already created in Higgsfield. I'll choose this image so we can animate it. You'll see it appear in the icon at the bottom right. Next, we select the camera movement. As you can see, there are many options available. In my case, I'm going to choose this one. And now, we're going to choose the format. This step is really important. We'll go with 16 by 9 to bring the scene to life. Now, we're going to choose the duration. We have 5 seconds or 10 seconds. We can also choose to include audio in the animation we add slow motion to. We can choose the number of images to generate from 1 to 4. For this test, we'll use 1 and click generate. As you can see, this is something truly interesting. I tested several angles and multiple images. As I mentioned earlier, you can do a lot. With this AI, you just need to know how to ask it the right way. I'll show you how I added this fire and hover effect. In the final image, it's really good. For the video section, you can see that I've added the text. Now, I open the options, keep the same camera, and select the 16:9 aspect ratio. I'll stick with 16:9. Next, I choose a duration of 10 seconds. The animation needs to be longer, so all the action is clearly visible on screen. I'll keep both audio. And slow motion enabled. Now, let's select a frame. The most important element here is the starting frame. This is where we choose the frame to animate and where the animation will be generated. Another important thing to keep in mind is that you can regenerate an image at any moment. If you're not satisfied with the result, you simply click on Recreate, and Higgsfield instantly generates a new version for you to compare. This gives you the freedom to explore multiple ideas, test different variations, and refine your visuals until they truly match your vision. We've now reached the end of this video, and if you're a content creator, a filmmaker, a designer, or simply someone who wants to turn ideas into visuals, Higgsfield gives you everything you need in one single place. It's designed to help you work faster, create better, and push your creativity even further. Boost your creativity. Experiment without limits. Bring your ideas to life. The AI is Higgsfield. The plans are affordable, and you can start for free with no barrier to entry. If you're ready to take your content to the next level, the link is waiting for you in the description.